Hello and welcome to my ePorfolio. I wanted to start off with my educational philosophy on the home page. I think that's the best way you can get to know me as a teacher, is just knowing who I am by my educational philosophy. Next on the sidebar, we have all of the major assignments that I have completed. The assignment that I would say represents me as a teacher using children's literature would be the self-selected virtual library. In here I have attached the YouTube screencast that I did on the assignment, as well as a reflection on it, as well as my link to my virtual library. And I love collecting books, reading books, and I really want my children to have that same love, whether it's for graphic novels or for picture books or for historical fiction, whatever it is. I want them to grow a vast knowledge and a vast collection of books. The assignment I am most proud of would have to be the book trailer. And honestly, this was the most challenging one as well. I attached my book trailer right here, as well as a reflection on it, and this picture right here at the bottom that says never judge a book by its cover. I think that goes really well with the book trailer theme, because you're trying to have children interested in wanting to read by using a book trailer. Never judge a book by its cover. But this is the assignment I was most proud of because it took a lot of effort, just trying to find pictures that were cohesive with one another, that also didn't infringe on copyright issues as well. And it was the most challenging because it was pushing me outside of my comfort zone with technology. But at the end of the day, I was really happy with how it turned out. And the feedback from my professor made it all the more worthwhile. So yeah, thank you for watching this screencast. I also wanted to highlight the resources real quickly. I added some TED Talks from this first one right here is from a child. He's 9 years old, and then another one right here is from an Indian woman, and she is also an author as well as a doctor. I have some website resources right here, and it's resources for teachers, parents, students, as well as an online book resource as well. I added the activities that we created for the creative writing assignment right here, and I also included a lesson plan as just a reference for what my lesson plans will look like, incorporating literature into other major subjects such as math. And so I actually created this for another classroom, as you can see, and my professor for this class really enjoyed this lesson, so I thought I'd attach it along with resources just for parents to see this is what my math lessons would look like incorporating literature. Thank you for watching.